Okay, now classification of elements in modern periodic table. Depending on electronic configuration, of elements, the elements can be classified into four types. As I have told you, number one, S block elements. This is one type. What type of elements are called S block elements? The elements in which the last electron enters in S orbital are called S block elements. So for example, if you want to write the electronic configuration of sodium atomic number is 11, its configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. This is the electronic configuration of sodium, and here you have seen the last electron. The last electron is present in S. Na? Since the last electron present in S, that's why it belongs to S block. If you want to write the electronic configuration of magnesium is 12, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then 3s2. Here also last electron is present in S orbital, that's why this also belongs to S block. So you write the electronic configuration of element, and those elements in which the last electron enters in S, they belongs to S block element. So that is why I have written the elements in which the last electron enters in S orbital are called S block elements. Now, in our periodic table, where the S block elements are present? In modern periodic table, group 1 and group 2 contain S block elements. Only group 1 and group 2 contain S block elements. So do you know what are the elements present in group 1 and what are the elements present in group 2? Group 1 is hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. These are the elements present in group 1. And in group 2 you will get beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. These are the elements present in group 1 and group 2, and all these elements are called your S block elements because that last electron enters in your S orbital. And although helium is present in group 18, since it contains completely filled orbital, that's why it is considered as noble gas, and noble gases are placed in group 18, but helium is also the S block elements because its electronic configuration is 1s2. Its last electron also enters in S, that's why helium is also belongs to S block element. So in this group 1 and group 2 are called S block. So when you write the electronic configuration of this element, for example lithium, its atomic number is 3, 1s2, 2s1, 3 electrons, so electronic configuration is like this. If you want to write the electronic configuration of beryllium 4, 1s2, 2s2. So everyone contain S, last S, and the last electron present in S. Similarly, if you want to write calcium is 20, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. Here also last electron is present in S. If you want to write for potassium 19, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. Here also last electron is present in S. So that's why all these elements are belongs to S block. Now, if I asked you what is the valence shell configuration of lithium, 1s is present in first cell, 2s is present in second cell. The outermost cell is called valence shell. So what is the valence shell configuration of lithium? That is 2s1. What is the valence shell, I mean outermost cell configuration of beryllium? That is 2s2. What is the valence shell configuration of calcium? That is 4s2. What is for potassium? 4s1. I mean, these S block elements, when you write the electronic configuration, the valence shell always contain S orbital. In case of S block, they always have S orbital in the valence shell, and they may contain either 1 electron or 2 electron. You know, S orbital contain maximum 2 electron. So group 1 element contain 1 electron in S, and group 2 element contain 2 electron in S. So S block element always have 1 or 2 electron, and when you write the general valence shell configuration, then you have to put NS. NS means it may be 1s, maybe 2s, maybe 3s, maybe 4s, like this. I mean, this is the general valence shell configuration. I mean, every element contain NS12 type configuration in the valence shell, and this is called general valence shell electronic configuration. So now this is very important. I'll give you the general valence shell electronic configuration. The general valence shell electronic configuration of S block elements are NS1 to 2. This is the valence shell. This is very important for other block also. And you have to know one thing, these group 1 elements, they are also called alkali metals, and group 2 elements, they are also called alkaline earth metals. Do you know why they are so called? Alkali means water soluble bases. You know acid base, those bases which are soluble in water, they are called alkali. Why group 1 elements are called alkali metals? Because when these elements, I mean group 1 elements, produce their bases, what are the base of lithium? Lithium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. These are the bases of group 1 elements, and all these bases are soluble in water, and that is why, since they are soluble in water, these are also called alkali. So group 1 elements produce alkalis, and that's why their corresponding metals are called alkali metals. So if someone asks you why group 1 elements are also called alkali metals, because the bases of group 1 elements are alkali in nature, and that is why the metals are called alkali metals. Similarly for group 2, group 2 also can produce the bases like beryllium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. These are the bases, and these bases are also soluble in water, and they are found in earth, and that is why they are called alkaline earth metal. These metals are also called alkaline earth metal. So again I repeat, group 1 elements are called alkali metals because their hydroxides are strong alkali, and group 2 elements are called alkaline earth metals because their bases are also alkali and they are found in earth. That's why their metals are called alkaline earth metals. These two are very important. Why group 1 elements are called alkali metal, why group 2 elements are called alkaline earth metals. Thank you.